Hi everybody and welcome to another edition of Simon Says
Let's Learn English.
Now, in this episode, we're going to look at the difference between a subject and an object pronoun. But before we do so, we first need to know what a pronoun is. Now, a pronoun is any word that takes the place of a noun. For example, Chris is a driver. He drives a bus. In this example, the word he is a pronoun which takes the place of the noun Chris. So, what is a subject pronoun? A subject pronoun is a pronoun that does the action in a sentence. Let's take a look back at our example. He drives a bus. In this example, the word drives is the action, it's a verb. The pronoun he does the action. It is therefore a subject pronoun. So, what are the different subject pronouns in the English language? Whenever we talk about the first person in the singular, we use I. For example, I live in a big city. In this sentence, I is a subject pronoun. Look at the next example. We have a nice car. In this sentence, we is the subject pronoun and it is the plural form of the first person. Now, for the second person singular, the subject pronoun is you. For example, you are watching this video. Now, you is also the subject pronoun for second person plural. For example, you are all studying English. Now, for the third person singular, the subject pronouns are he, she, and it. We use he for male, she for female, and the subject pronoun it is used for non-humans and animals, including pets. For example, he is a strong man. She has 3 children. Cairo is in Egypt. It's a nice place to visit. As for the subject pronoun in the third person plural, we use they. For example, the children speak many languages. They are very clever. In this example, the subject pronoun they is used for humans. Now look at the following example. These cars are expensive. They were made in Germany. The subject pronoun they is used in place of the noun cars because cars is in the plural, and in this example it is also non-human. Right, now that you've understood what a subject pronoun is, let's have a look at what an object pronoun is. Take a look at the following example. Dave is my supervisor at work. I saw him today. In this example, him is an object pronoun. An object pronoun is the receiver of an action or verb. In this case, the action or verb is saw. The subject pronoun I is the doer of the action, and him is the object pronoun that receives that action. Right. So what are the object pronouns in the English language? For the first person singular, the object pronoun is me. For example, Dave saw me today. For the first person in the plural form, the object pronoun is us. For example, Dave and I work for a big company. You can find us on the internet. Now, for the second person singular and plural, we use the object pronoun you, just like the subject pronoun. For example, I saw you driving a bus this morning. This lesson will help you all to learn English. For the third person singular, the object pronouns are him, her, and it. For example, Dave is my supervisor at work. I saw him this morning. Kerry is my boss. I saw her yesterday. I have an old car. I bought it 3 years ago. As for the object pronoun in the third person plural, then we use them. For example, the children are happy today. Their mother took them to the park. Okay, so what you need to remember from this lesson is that the subject pronouns are I, we, you singular and you plural, he, she, it, and they. All of these subject pronouns are pronouns that do an action in a sentence. As for the object pronouns, then they are me, us, you for singular and plural, him, her, it, and them. These object pronouns receive an action in a sentence. In other words, we can say that an object pronoun is the object of a verb. Right. So I guess that's all you need to know for today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in to the next episode, where we will hopefully be looking at other types of pronouns. See you then, and bye for now from Simon Says, Let's Learn English.